This life of yours was made to be lived. So promise me you will live, that you will reach for the stars, howl at the moon and dance with the sun. Promise me you will dive into this world head first, navigating your way day by day, that you will do what it takes to make your soul sing, to make your heart beat with hope and love and compassion, that you will be so overjoyed that you pour from yourself into all those you come across, from your heart to theirs. Promise me you will do whatever that makes you happy, that you will take your sweet time devouring all the things, grand and small, that light you up, that you don't wait for life to happen. And you go out and make it happen. That anything you do is because it's good for you, right for you. Promise me you'll keep going. When the world gets too heavy and your bones are tired and you're so utterly exhausted, promise me you won't give up, that you will rest, that you will stop to catch a breath, that you will know when it's time to lay it all down and pause. By Elsha Weghorn.
Oh? god, bro, you're gonna get taller than me.
Oh, no way.
I hate it. You're gonna look down on me.
No.
Just kidding, you won't look down on me. Anyway, where are we going?
Post office.
Post office and there's one more.
Cafe.
Please say.
Cafe.
Nobody takes you out.
Yes. Only you.
Because I'm your favorite.
Cousin.
Wait. I didn't force him to say that, okay?
Yeah, I see it by myself.
Ooh, okay,
By my
okay.
heart,
From the depths of your heart.
yeah. Bottom of my heart.
Come.
Jump.
There's so many steps in our area, like a lot.
Yeah.